Hey guys, so I haven't doing this video for a while, so I'm gonna do filming videos today. So today I'm gonna be reviewing a Hoover wind tunnel quarter rewind. So I picked this at the Salvation Army for $12. So yeah, it has a piece of hair in it. So yeah, let's review this. So this is the base. It's as you can see, this base looks kind of marked here, and look to the left, to the right. So I don't know. I have to shave it off. This one, look at all the scratches. And so this one. So we got this brush window. So they have 5 height adjustments. So we got bare floor, low carpet, medium, and high carpet. So I like to do on this carpet and hard floor. So yeah, so you got this retractable core. So you pull it a couple times, and there's a core rewind. You step on it. So yeah, so you step on it, and sometimes the core rewind just stopped. So you have to press it harder. So you don't have to press it hard because if you press hard, it will jam up. So yeah, so let's see this filter. So second, we have a washable filter. So there used to be a HEPA filter here on a whole house rewind. Now they include this HEPA filter. Now they includes the film filter. So yeah, this is kind of like this. So we got the sponge filter. So it keeps all that debris on this away from the motor. So I'm gonna press it here. So how often do you wash this filter? Like probably 6 or 10 months. I can believe it doesn't press this correctly. So yeah, so we got this. Here is the crevice tool, and so this is retinous crevice tool, and we got this extension one. So I'm gonna clip it on here. So this is a stretch hose, and that hole looks kind of dirty. It looks good to clean. I think it looks 8 to 10 feet. So yeah. So we got this power switch, and it's working pretty good. So it's nothing wrong with the switch. So let's see that model UH71330. So this motor made 10 amp. So they used to be 12 amp, now they make 10 amp. So yeah, so the year is AT2114 3D 11788. I think they made March or January. So this year is 2021. So yeah, I kind of like this machine. Oh yeah, we got this bin. So it says clean filter monthly. So you twist the cap, the dirt lid, and left out the filter. Rinse the filter. Do not blow. Who knows what that means? Bend. Do not bend. It says 24 hours to dry. Stay for 24 hours. Is do not use without filter. So yeah, it says you don't want to use it without filter. Just look, I got all stuff over here. I'll have to clean it up later. So yeah, so you got this all over debris. So yeah, so you want this clip on this here, like, oh, I forgot. There we go. So this, so it can't be like doing here. It's on correctly. This one. So yeah. So we got here. It's a washable filter. So you want to clean this every often for 6 to 10 months. So you mean? So yeah. So you want this to sit right there. So you place it here. Here, just twist it. I couldn't do this one hand. There we go. So when you're done, close it to bin. After you do is pop it right there. So here's the release bin. You have to press the bin so you empty up the debris. So yeah, this space is yellow. It means gray, black. I love this space. So yeah. At the bottom here, we got this squeegee. It looks kind of chipped. I mean, 1, 2, 3 squeegee. It looks chipped. That one doesn't look bad. So we got this brush roll. So yeah, we got this brush roll over there. So I just changed this brush roll. The other red brush roll, I hate this. So I love this brush roll because it has opening caps on it. Like, I have the other one, the redness brush roll. So I was trying to open that thing. It does not open this thing anymore. Like, it looks completely cracked. So yeah, so I hate this other brush roll. Like, I love this brush roll, the greatness brush roll, because all I have to do is open up these caps, putting the oil in it. So you got this height adjustment rollers. So yeah, this is I love this brush roll that much. Oh yeah, I hate this other distinct brush roll. Yeah. So yeah, so you got this cyclone. So that these should be awesome. So we got this missing dusting brush. So we got this missing flexible dusting brush. So it's okay. So yeah, you got your foot recline it, and foot here like that. So yeah, got this pressable hose. Remove it and put it back on here. So yeah, so you got this wheel, and we got the lower hose. This thing, yeah. So we gotta do to do this vacuum. So yeah, I'm gonna pull this rewind cord. This cord looks kind of twisted now, so that looks fine. All right, so yeah, so we got the hard floor. So I'm gonna be doing this, and let's go. Got this belt. Let's put it adding to the plate. Well, that was so awesome. Look at all this debris it's picking up. So, okay, this is pretty good job. I mean, so yeah, so thanks for watching this video. So please like and comment, subscribe. If you have any questions, let me know. So yeah, so stay tuned again, and see you on the next one. Peace.